Hello everybody, this is an unboxing of the Ridgid cast iron table saw. It is a R4512. This is new purchase for me, so all I've done so far is pop open the bottom of the box, fold the flaps out of the way and set it down on the floor, and I'm interested to see this saw. One of the reasons I purchased this was this lifetime parts and labor warranty. I've had some problems with my past table saw and I'm ready to be able to get access to parts for it, for the new one, if I need them. So this thing is quite a beast, very heavy. Had a hard time getting it in and out of the truck. The store did provide a couple gentlemen to help me load it up. But I was on my own when I got home. Looks like I could do a lot of nuts and bolts tonight. So this is going to be primarily just an unboxing, and then I'll post another video of assembly. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, so I probably won't put all this together tonight. So there's the top half. Let's see if I can set this down. That was much harder than I expected. So the box was in great condition. I didn't suspect there would be any damage at all. So it's not something I was overly worried about. Whoops. I am interested to see how sturdy the base is and how well the mobility function works. So push stick, throat plate, not sure, this is a extension rail, hardware, that's pretty standard. So I saw this table saw in a Home Depot probably close to 7 or 8 years ago. It was initially all set up back in the day when they carried this as their regular primary table saw, and they always had them available. But now, you know, finding anything like this set up in the stores, in my store, is challenging. So this is supposed to be a tool-free on-off guard. Not sure what those will be. Looking forward to having this fence here. It's got these T-slots here in the bottom and on the side. So I've seen a couple different things you can do with these T-slots on router tables and stuff. So I want to see what I can do with it on the table saw. The packaging's really good. I did see someone have a video where they talked about kind of some problems with